a boss, I'll pay you double what you ask.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Alright, so what's your name? What's in here, man?
Hey man, Jeremy. I got two FI SP4 V2 plus 18s on two TerraAmps MD12Ks.
Nice. What are you wired to on the amp?
They're the half ohm model, so half ohm a piece.
Okay. This looks really good. What kind of box? Is that a, I don't know how
That's CounterTop epoxy.
Really?
Yeah.
That looks really good.
Yeah,
I like it.
man.
Nice. Do you know how big your box is? It's definitely got a big port. Wow.
Yeah, it's 209 square inch port, tuned to 32 hertz. The box after displacement's about 15 cubic feet. Yep, 20 before and 15 after.
Yes, sir. All right. Wow. And the vehicle?
2007 Ford F-150 Super Cab.
Super Cab. Nice.
Or extended cab.
Extended cab, yeah. Did you do any SPL tests on it?
Yep. Yep. At 40 hertz, it'll do about a 53.
Oh, that's good. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, not too bad. Always room for improvements and gains.
Yeah. Are you planning to eventually seal that all here? Or
Yeah, I actually have panels made. Yeah,
okay.
But I actually have a new enclosure design from Baseaholics for a 6th order.
Oh, so you're gonna actually change it up?
I'm changing it out. Yeah. Okay. But I still can use the same panels.
Yes, sir. All right. Awesome. Yeah, I would love to hear it. This looks good.
Oh,
got some roof work. I'm sure you've been trying to stop the flex.
Yep.
It'll break
6
it
layers
apart.
of Vibraflex up there. A couple pieces of Ultra board and the brace.
Okay. What kind of cone is that? That's pretty cool.
The Dreddens.
Okay.
Dredden carbon fiber cones from Italy.
I'm gonna look at the back real quick.
Absolutely.
I didn't even see who was in there, brother. Okay. We got Josh coming.
So this ice, all this inside the ash.
Josh separated the spider, so I gotta reglue it. Did he? Look at Lucas gonna fucking blow it.
Yeah, he just got Jacob in his car.
Really good. Yeah, I was just looking at everything, sorry. Wow. Oh, thank you. That is even sweet, even at the bottom. Wow.
Before I made an upgrade, I had one Titan 8 battery, and I had the wiring and everything, distribution blocks all back here.
Yeah.
When I upgraded the battery bank, I wanted to put it in the back.
Yes, sir. Wow. That looks good.
You can actually see when the sun hits it how it looks on this side. The whole thing's sparkled out.
Yep. Wow. Be sure to give them a like. Bet to get a crazy bass demo. How you doing? Good.
Second passion. I know some bitches that stay ready for that action. I'm a boss, I'll pay you double what you asking. She said some pussies in my city, so they looking for me. Chicken in my kitchen, now she looking for me. Go to B-Town on it, mama started looking like me. I'm a money, wanna see her on it, fucking this bitch. She hold me down, I ain't got them for my side. She hold me down, she wants to see the
Really
Actually,
nice.
feel it. There's nothing. No
Yeah,
heat
that's
on, no
good.
heat on there at all, man. They
What kind of
cool.
cone or cone is that? That's pretty
That's
cool.
the Dreddens.
Okay.
Dredden carbon fiber cones from
Yep.
Italy.
What version of the SP4?
V2 Plus.
V2 Plus, the double
Yep,
back.
yep,
Okay.
double slug, yep.
Nice job, man.
Awesome, man.
Good job with the bill. Nice to meet you. Glad to
Thank
help.
you, dude.
Thank you for watching.
Honored to give you a demo.
Yes, sir. Good job, man. I appreciate it. And good luck with the 6 box.
Sixth order, definitely.
Sixth order. Yeah,
Definitely.
man. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you, dude.